Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see they're trying to hold the green line, the 20-day simple moving average, as resistance. So high of the day yesterday, 83.5, back into a low. It went as low as 34.5. So the theme of yesterday, and it's going to be the theme of today. It's the theme all the way through. It's how do the bears handle the bounces as they arise? In any market that has been pushing lower, bounces are going to happen. It's how do the bears handle those bounces, and do they translate those bounces into lower lows? The bears did a really good job of that yesterday, where they had to lift up from Globex into 83.5 into the bell. They pushed that all the way down to a lower low. Now, they bounced it from there, which is fine, as long as what? As long as they hold it. This isn't a great look for them right here. That's a higher low. I'll be interested. It's about 7 o'clock. It's not quite 7 a.m. Eastern time as I'm taping this. I'll be very interested to see. Remember, yesterday I was interested to see where we closed relative to weekly pivot and the daily mid-band. We closed below. It's good if you're a bear. And it was nice and volatile, which is great if you're us. So it was a great start to the week. Nice looking short, nice looking long, all good. We've been dancing on either side of the monthly pivot all night. I still have a runner from the trade we put on yesterday afternoon from down at 46. We took profits on that, and we've got a third of it left, and we're just kind of letting it knock around. I'm going to be curious to see, you've got a whole bunch of price jammed up between 61 and 64, and they've been battling over it now for a couple hours. You've got the hourly mid-band coming in 61.12. Our proprietary moving average and volume weighted average price are sitting at about 62.75, 63. Monthly pivot, you can see 63.58. 5-minute mid-band is 64. So between 61 and 64, there's a whole lot of inflection. There's a whole lot of price. You can really see it on a 5-minute chart more than you can see it on an hourly chart. So again, these two lines, they remain important, need to hold below. The most important thing that the bears have to do today is they need to break this low. What do the bulls need to do? Hold this low. Ideally, hold this as a higher low relative to here, and then you've got to take out 83.5 and close above these two lines. Now, the other thing I will say is this. One of these days, the tape's just going to take the day off. I'm kind of bracing for it because, it gets boring and you got to stay out of it. And, it's more about not being in the market than being in the market. One of these days, the tape's just going to take the day off. It's going to say, you know what? We've moved a lot from 45, 39.5. We're just going to consolidate here for a couple of days. I don't think they've really decided where they're comfortable doing that yet. I was wondering if they were comfortable here. Maybe they're still comfortable here. The ideal consolidation area would be like 64 to 80 if they were going to do it this week. So keep your eye out on that. And if that starts to happen, you've really got to watch yourself. Don't overtrade. For those of us, for my subscribers, for those of us in the room, there isn't a single thing we need to do the rest of the week. Not after yesterday. So we're gonna, we'll see where we're at. If it starts to consolidate, then we're gonna pull back, and we're gonna hit our day goals, but we're not gonna go crazy over trading something that doesn't want to be traded. Don't trade something that doesn't want to be traded. Okay? Don't create your own excitement in the market. It's usually only exciting for you and not in a good way. All right. That's all I got. So a couple things. Subscribers, chat room subscribers, noon today, Q&A. In the Slack room on the GoToWebinar, that'll be recorded. Thursday, free live training in our free private Facebook group. Go join it. It's the only way you're going to access it. I'm not putting it out for public consumption. It's on understanding risk essentials, because it all starts with risk. So it'll be in the Facebook group via Zoom, and there'll be a Q&A at the end. That's coming up Thursday, 12 p.m. Eastern. And if you're a member of the Facebook group, then it'll be recorded. It'll be there for you to watch at a later time. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I'll be out with a midday update, and I will talk to you then. Be good.